Hello, welcome to TechShare. In this session, we will cover the further values from the RTVSYSVAL command. So in order to explain the same, I am taking this program in edit mode. Here you can see that we have declared few variables. These variables you can declare by referring the IBM official website. And once it is declared, then you can directly use the command. So just simply write RTVSYSVAL and then press F4, and there you are supposed to pass two values. First one is the system value which you want to retrieve from the system, and second one is the variable where you want to store the retrieved value. Okay, now if you want to know more about this values, then you can press F1. So once you press F1, it will take you to this screen, the help screen, where you will find description of all the values that we can retrieve from the system using the RTVSYSVAL command, and then directly you can copy it from here and you can retrieve it. So these are the value that we have already covered in our previous sessions. So I'm directly taking to you to the value that we are going to discuss today, which is QLIBLCKLVL, which means library locking level. Here it is mentioned that it specifies whether library in a job library search list are locked by that job. A change to the system value take effect for all job that becomes active after the change. Possible values are 0 and 1, where 0 means the libraries in a user job library search list are not locked. If it is 0, then not locked. If it is 1, then the libraries in the user jobs library search list are locked by that job. Now the second value we have is QLMTDEVSSN, which means limit concurrent device sessions. Changes made to the system value take effect immediately. Here there are also two possible outcome for this value, which is 0 means user are not limited to specific number of device session, and another one is 1 to 9, which means which indicates maximum number of concurrent device sessions. Okay, now you can see the third one, which is QLMTSECOFR, which is limit security officer device session access. Changes made to the system value take effect immediately. 0 means users with star all obj or star service special authority can sign on any workstation. 1 means user with star all obj or star service special authority must have explicit authority to workstation. Okay, so now we got the information regarding this value. Now you can simply copy it from here, just paste directly here in sysval field and along with the variable where you want to store the output, and then simply hit enter. So once these three lines got executed, we will retrieve the value in the specific variables, and then we are good to hit the command sndpgm-msg command, where which command this command we are using for printing the value. So I'm just directly passing the variable because all of these variables are already of type character. So let's compile it and see the output. It is compiled successfully. Now I'm calling it. First output is 1, second is 2, and third is 1. You can see that it is the second output is 2, which means number of sessions allowed. So as we all are using pub 400, so you can observe here that when we try to open more than 2 sessions, then it gives error that you are not supposed to open 3 sessions, because we are only allowed with for 2 sessions. This is a public server, and that's why we are supposed to open only 2 server. So this is the value we are right now getting 2, because we are allowed only for 2 sessions. Okay, so this is how it works, and I hope that it is clear to all of you, and in next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching TechShare.